Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Maven. To install Maven, go to your Eclipse and open Help tab. From the Help tab, go to Install New Software. Then click on Add. And type the website name from where you need to download this Maven extension. That is http download eclipse org technology -m2e release. On my right side of the screen you can see the percentage. Let us wait to get completed. Now you can see Maven integration for Eclipse. Click on that checkbox. And select next. Sorry, actually I was looking at something else. In meanwhile it got downloaded. No worries. Click on next. Next. Now to verify whether it is installed successfully or not, go to File, New, Java project. You can see Maven project. This is how you need to install Maven extension to your Eclipse Studio. Thank you. Keep watching our videos and do subscribe.